Now, here's a song that might lighten up the situation a little bit. But there was one day way back in Ireland, and this is an old Irish tune based on fact, there's no doubt. And so this man and woman were walking on their way to who knows where, Ballymoe, and they meet, and let's see what happens. And you might see that this gentleman gets a little carried away with his rhetoric, and it could have ended him up in quite a bit of trouble. But here you go. It's in old Ballymoe. In the county Roscommon, we've hailstones and rain. As I walk through the fields on the way to the plain, I met a fair colleen. She says, do you know the shortest of shortcuts into old Ballymoe? Says I, Colleen, who's led you astray? I think I'll go with you and show you the way. She says, I don't think I'll go with you, for you I don't know. You might kiss me between here and old Ballymoe. Says I, Colleen, I've seldom been kissed. She says, poor lad, sure such a lot you have missed. But I am willing to learn, don't you know? We can practice between here and old Ballymoe. You think I'd go with you moron garrogue? I don't like your looks or your smothering blows. Sure, you're young, you're good-looking, but God knows you're slow. And you look like you did one in old Ballymoe. Says he, I've been noted for my strength and good looks, and me brain's not so bad when I've mastered the books. And if you are willing, it's a married we'll go, and live happy e'er after in old Ballymoe. She started to laugh until I thought she would choke. She says, dear lad, I will tell you a joke. Get out of my way, for now I must go. I've a husband and 6 kids in old Ballymoe. Good night, everybody.